Say something for yourself.
The Banana Man.
Alright guys, it's Sunday. What is happening here? We were kind of moving this stuff around yesterday, trying to measure this wall and this section for a couple different dressers that we found online. So I don't know, this thing has just been through a lot, and it's from IKEA. I actually get a lot of questions about it. It was cheap, it was from IKEA like 100 years ago. It's not great quality, and really it's so dusty and so neglected, and I need to probably throw it away. Anyway, not what I was trying to talk about. I was trying to show you my new tie-dye shirt. If you've been watching me for a while, if you watch me on my Instagram story, you might know that I wear the same tie-dye shirt at least once a week, over and over and over again. So obviously, big news, I finally found a new tie-dye shirt. I think this one's really cute, kind of like a bubblegum pink mixed with blue and white, a little bit of purple. I think it's cute, and it was from Amazon, super affordable. I love it. And then also I got these jeans from the style sale. I don't know if they're still gonna be on sale when this video goes up, but they're Levi's and they are super cute. I had kind of given up on Levi's shorts because I tried on so many different pairs and they were just so uncomfortable and never fit me. But these fit amazing, and I think they're so cute. And this is what they look like, in case you were wondering. Anyway, I have so many things I want to do today, and the first thing I want to do is work on the hallway. So like I explained, I have a lot of things I want to fix about the house, improve about the house, and I showed you guys the wreckage and the hallway, and I think the hallway is kind of a small chunk I can bite off today and actually make a big difference.
I was thinking we could actually do, we could put a wardrobe up here.
A wardrobe?
And then if you wanted to like some of your like dress, like your wedding dress and stuff like that. There's some different options.
I like the way you're thinking. So obviously I've got my amazing assistant here, and he said he was measuring this space in the hallway because whenever they showed us, what are you gonna do? I decided to stand like this. Well, I was just trying to get on your level.
Yeah, now I'm on your level.
Grant, sit on the chair. Anyway, so in this little space in the hallway, they had in the floor plan that you could have like a built-in desk, and they called it a command center. I thought that was so cheesy and funny, and we opted out of that, and we want to get a really big storage something to put right there because honestly, we don't really have a great place to put like seasonal decor, extra blankets and bedding, and just a lot of stuff. We really haven't decided where we want to put it, and there isn't really an obvious place to put it. So obviously, first step, clearing it out. We've got a lot of wall art that I've had in my life for a very long time. I'm gonna get Grant to help me declutter it because
it's time to say goodbye.
Sentimental feelings are strong with me, and sometimes I need backup to help me face reality and know when the end is the end, and it's just time to let it go. So that's what we're gonna do right now, right?
Yep.
We got a very slow start today.
Yes.
We decided to close the blackout curtains in our room, which usually we don't, and the reason why we don't is because if we close them, we sleep in forever. I even turned off my alarm and everything, and we slept in until 10.
Don't really feel any better than...
I did this morning, right when I woke up. I had a lot of energy.
Oh, really?
You didn't?
No, I mean, I don't know. I guess you just sort of get stressed out because you're like, oh, it's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, that's very stressful. It is not a good feeling, but whatever, it's Sunday. We get done what we get done. Let's do this.
All right.
Okay, on to the project for today. This is a bunch of office stuff I need to find a room for. This is a vintage suitcase I have had for like 15 years and for some reason can't get rid of. And then this is all pretty much wall art. And then in that box right there, that's also office stuff that I need to file, organize, clean out, all of that stuff. But what we're focusing on is the wall art, and it shouldn't be too hard. So let's get a tripod in our lives. We're definitely keeping this. Yeah, we love this.
So maybe we'll move all, keep stuff over here.
The only flaw with this, I obviously was trying to do a thing. These are actually all mini Polaroids that I used for our save the date. I actually took the picture to put on our save the date from these Polaroids, but I only made 5, and so I still need to print one more to fill this spot, but this has actually been on display in our last home for a very, very long time, incomplete. Obviously, we're keeping this. Oh, Grant. Our beautiful mural.
Where are we gonna put that? Right here?
The people on the vlog were like, you cannot get rid of this. You should put this in.
Seriously, it should go right here.
For Grant when we were just dating, and he had it up in his apartment in Houston.
Yeah,
is it
another office one.
It covered up this really ugly like breaker box thing that he had in his room, and it was like right when you walked in, that's the only thing you saw, and I was like, here, perfect.
Perfect.
This is half of the desert collage that I have in my room. And we have no idea where we want to put this. We don't really have a large, obvious wall that would work for this, although I do still really like it. Okay, we've gotten very, very distracted, but we're determined to find a place and a purpose for the desert gallery wall that I used to have in my bedroom, and we used to have in our downstairs hall in the last house. And it's actually really hard in this house to find a big blank open wall that's big enough for all of these frames, because I think it has 15 big frames in total. We're thinking maybe, just maybe, we can use this wall, but I really love this mirror being here. So we're thinking possibly we could just partially fill in the collage and not use some of the frames and kind of hang it around the mirror. We're not sure if this could work, but we're trying to feel it out. Okay, I'm so happy. The bulk of the stuff that was crowding this hallway is gone. We've now moved a rug here. I just got this rug in, I think yesterday, and this rug is meant for my recording space slash office, and we're just not dealing with that right now, so it's just kind of waiting to go in there. Maybe next weekend, maybe later, I don't know. We still have office stuff that I need to resolve, and we decided that photo, that embarrassing purchase, I told you guys about this last time I was working on this hallway in a vlog. I don't know if you remember that one. I rolled this one out, and it's a picture from our wedding, and we're kissing, and it's black and white, and it's huge, and I was kind of embarrassed about it, but didn't want to throw it away because I still loved it, because obviously it's a really wonderful photo from our wedding. But Grant said it would be cool if we put it here, so we're gonna work on getting that up here. And then these two things here, we're gonna put them here, and then Grant is at work over here. This one is going here, and he already put this one up here. So we're making things happen. We like it. He works hard for the money, so you better treat it right. Okay, yesterday when I was working on this room, I was really avoiding making it feel too cluttered and putting too much stuff on the wall. But now that I have this wall hanging and this small frame here up, I really feel like they add. And then I also added this little blue suitcase here. And obviously not the most practical thing, but I think it looks cute, and I finally feel like this room is done. It's done for now. This is all stuff we had, and I like how it came together. In case you've been wondering at all, here are the 2 most recent pots of clippings. I feel like they're definitely getting some new growth. It's hard to tell when they're so small like this and you see them every single day, but I'm about to water all my plants. And then another thing you most likely were not wondering about, but if you have plants, if you have a lot of house plants, maybe you were wondering about it. I am still using the mosquito bits watering method to help with the fungus gnats. I've almost completely gotten rid of them using this and the neem oil in conjunction almost every week or every other week. I probably see one every other day, but I feel like I need to stay consistent with this as much as I can just to make sure they don't come back, because they do have a life cycle. So if you haven't seen me do this before, I added a bunch of mosquito bits to some warm water, and I'm about to strain them out and water my plants with the water. Are you ready to help Miss Lou? All right, now it is time for some fun. I feel like we made some good progress today and we deserve a reward. But first, I'm gonna try on 2 bathing suits I ordered from Aerie. They are both on sale when I ordered them, and I think they're still both on sale. They're both 1 pieces, and I discovered that they carry long bathing suits, like long 1 pieces for tall people or people with long torsos, and I am a long person. I'm very tall, I'm 5'11", so 1 pieces rarely fit me very comfortably in regular sizing. So I was excited to try these out. They're both in the long version, but they also come in regular if you're a regular sizing person. So these were both on sale. I think they're still both on sale. We're gonna see which one works for me because I'm not gonna keep both of them. All right, this first one is all black, but it's definitely not boring. In my mind, when I think all black 1-piece swimsuit, I think boring, but this one is far from it. It's got this really cute cutout here, and this really pretty gold metallic strap. I really like this one. I was a little on the fence about it, but it came in the long size, so I wanted to try it, and I really like the back too. The straps just go straight down, and you've got another cutout back here. It really features my spot that I can never get to with my self-tanner really well. I will say this is a very cheeky swimsuit, and I don't know, sometimes I can deal with the cheekiness. I know that is the trend right now, so I don't know. I feel like I just have to be in the mood for it, and I feel like I'm not in love with this swimsuit enough to deal with the cheekiness, because at the end of the day, it's just kind of uncomfortable. I think it's really cute, but it's not the most comfortable thing, you know? I feel like we can all agree on that. So this is a really pretty swimsuit. I feel like it's classic. I don't know. I like this one, but let's try the next one. All right, and the next one is anything but boring. It is full on leopard, and it's kind of this wild wraparound kind of thing. And maybe if you order it, you might think, wow, how do I get this on? But it's really not that tricky. I think the wraparound detail with the cutout really adds to it. Overall, this one is just really cute, and it's not as super cheeky as the last one, so I definitely feel like it's a little bit more comfortable. I feel like this one fits perfectly. I got both of the swimsuits in a small long. Like I said before, they come in regular sizing too if you don't need the long, but I really appreciate that they carry long 1-piece swimsuits because it is exactly what I need. This one is just so cute, and it's comfortable, and it's something different. I've never had a swimsuit like this, but the other one is definitely more of a classic look. But you know what? Maybe I'm not ready for classic. Maybe that's later in life. I really love this one. I think this one is the winner. What do you think, Grant? Did you see this one?
That's cute. Just be careful about tan lines, but that's cute.
I'm not gonna get a tan. I don't even have to worry about tan lines. I don't get tans. I am coated in sunscreen if I'm ever out in a bathing suit. Back up. Model this outfit, please. Say something for yourself.
Styling and profiling, bro.
I love everything about this look. The mayor of Fort Worth is returning to his homeland.
Long time.
All right, so we're making our way down to the pool in Fort Worth right now. We haven't been in so long, and I mean, allegedly it is summer. It is really, really hot outside. This year has felt so long and so short at the same time. I can't believe it's summer, and it's sad we can't take any trips or anything for our anniversary. Our anniversary is actually coming up. Not next weekend, but the next week. And I think that we would have taken a trip, but obviously it's just not a good time for that. We want to be as safe as possible. But what we can do is go to the pool. They're taking a ton of precautions right now. I think they've limited capacity to 50% or less. You have to get a reservation to come. They're spacing everybody out. We're not going to be in any enclosed space. Like, we're not going to go inside at any point with any other people. So I feel like this is safe. It's outdoors, the sun is still out, and we just need a pool day. Not even a pool day, a couple of hours at the pool, because our reservation is about 3 hours. So we're just gonna go and relax. I feel like we made some good progress at the house, and I need some fun in my life. I wish we had a pool so much. We were just talking on the way here about what if we had gotten that crazy 80s house that we showed on the vlog when we were home shopping. That was kind of closer to Fort Worth than Dallas. And it was, we called it like the crazy 80s mansion. It's like, where would we be in life if we had gotten that? And I was like, man, we'd be in the pool, because that house had a pool. That house needed a lot of work, but it had a pool, which in the future we would love to have a pool at our house, but someday.
We'd love to have a pool and have a pool to go to.
Yeah.
The best of both worlds.
I feel like you haven't said any words in this vlog, Grant.
I haven't said any words.
Say some words for the people.
I'm just so happy to be here.
Banana
vlogging
Man.
with y'all. The Banana Man.
New name. We hit some pretty ridiculous traffic on the way home, and look at what people are doing. I mean, do people in other states do this? Because I've been seeing this kind of thing my whole life. Just make your own road. If there's no exit and you need one, just take it. That truck down there, it's like a classic truck, and they're just going on over. All right, we're back home, and I'm so ready to go to bed. We're gonna try to go to bed early tonight. We have a big week ahead of us. Tomorrow I have my baseline scan, so I'm going in, and this is kind of like the official start of IVF, because on Friday I'm gonna be starting my shots for IVF, which to me that feels like the beginning, even though I've technically been prepping with metformin and my birth control for a month now. I'm officially done with birth control, which is a huge weight off mentally, even if maybe the effects don't go away for a little while. It's just birth control does terrible things to me mentally, physically, emotionally. I just don't get along with birth control, and I'm so happy to get to stop taking it. But it's just what I had to do to get this process started, and I'm willing to do whatever. Obviously, with this whole low carb thing, I am willing to go all in. So I'm so excited to get this week started. I'm so excited to get the shot started, even though I am kind of nervous. I'm sure by the next vlog, I'll be telling you how everything is going so far, because I'll be totally, fully into doing the shots and everything. Who knows how that will be? I guess we'll all see together. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend and you're having a good week so far. Thanks. I love you. Bye.